Welcome to Saraswat International Academy, Ratavapi, Standard 6, English Medium, Subject Computer. Myself Simit Bausar. I am a computer teacher. Now I will teach you chapter number 1, part 2. Now next topic, third generation computers. Okay, now what is third generation computers? The period of third generation was from 1965 to 1980. The computers of third generation used integrated circuit in place of transistor. A single IC has many transistors, resistors and capacitors along with the associated circuitry. Okay, now here time period, okay, 1965 to 1980. Okay, hardware technology in third generation computer. IC means integrated circuits. Software technology, higher level language C, COBOL and Java, etc. Now next example, IBM 360, PDF 8, PDF 11, etc. Okay, now next explanation of third generation computer. The third generation computers used IC means integrated circuit. Okay, now in 1958 Jack Kilby invented the integrated circuit. Electronic components such as transistor, resistor, diode, etc. are in a single chip called integrated circuit, means IC. These electronic components were fixed on a silicon chip. As the IC used was much smaller, the size of the third generation computers reduced to a great extent. Use of keyboard and monitor started with these computers. Higher level languages such as C, COBOL, Java, etc. were developed. Okay, now next, now the characteristics of third generation computers. First one, computers of third generation became much smaller than computer of previous generations. Their efficiency was improved, their processing speed increased and they became more reliable. Their storage capacity was improved. Their manufacturing and maintenance cost reduced. Use of computers in business began with the third generation computers. Okay, now next, IC means integrated circuit. Okay, an integrated circuit, sometimes called a chip or microchip, is a semiconductor wafer on which thousands or millions of tiny resistors, capacitors and transistors are fabricated. An IC can function as an amplifier, oscillator, timer, counter, computer memory or microprocessor. Okay, next, IBM 360. The IBM 360 is a family of mainframe computer systems. It was the first family of computers designed to cover the complete range of applications, from small to large, both commercial and scientific. Okay, now next, now fourth generation computers. Okay, short description about fourth generation computer. The fourth generation of computers was between 1980 to 1989. These computers used to VLSI technology or the very large scale integrated means VLSI, okay, circuits technology. Therefore, they were also known as the microprocessors. Intel was the first company to develop a microprocessor. Okay, now here fourth generation computers, time period 1980 to 1989. Okay, hardware technology VLSI microprocessor. VLSI means very large scale integrated. Okay, next software technology, structured query language means SQL. Okay, example IBM PC, Apple II, etc. Okay, now next, now explanation. The fourth generation computers used microprocessor. In 1969, Ted Hoff invented the microprocessor chip. VLSI means very large scale integration processor was used in this computer. As a million of electronic components can be fixed on a single tiny chip, the computers became much smaller than the computers of the previous generations. Microprocessor or processor works as the brain of the computer. Computers that we use today, the computers of the fourth generation. Desktop computers that can be placed on a table. Laptop computers that can be accommodated into a bag, and palm top computers that can be kept on our palm belong to the fourth generation computers. Development of structured query language means SQL took place. Okay, now continue. Characteristics of fourth generation computer. First one, due to the use of microprocessor, computer become much smaller. Computers become much faster than the computer of previous generation. These are multitasking computers that can be perform many tasks simultaneously. They have negligible maintenance cost. Due to their low price, they are affordable to everyone. Okay, now student, you have to write down the characteristics of fourth generation computers in your notebook. Okay, now next, VLSI microprocessor. The microprocessor is a VLSI device. Before the introduction of VLSI technology, most ICs had a limited set of functions they could perform. Okay, now IBM 360. The IBM 360 is a family of mainframe computer systems. It was the first family of computers designed to cover the complete range of publications, from small to large, both commercial and scientific. Okay, now next, now fifth generation computers. In the fifth generation, VLSI technology became ULSI means ultra large scale integration technology, resulting in the production of microprocessor chips having 10 million electronic components. This generation is based on parallel processing hardware and AI means artificial intelligence software. Okay, now here time period 1989 to till date. Hardware technology ULSI microprocessor. ULSI means ultra large scale integration. Software technology artificial intelligence and optical software technology. Example: supercomputer, robot, IBM notebook, etc. Now explanation. First one, the fifth generation computers use artificial intelligence. ULSI means ultra large scale integration. Microprocessor was used in these computers. It learns like humans and then find out the solution of the problem. Due to artificial intelligence, development of supercomputers and robots are taking place. Optical software technology is used so that the computer can behave friendly and rationally. Next, researchers and scientists are making efforts to develop computers of this generation. Okay, now the characteristics of fifth generation computers. First one, computers of this generation will have creativity, retention and their own intelligence. They will be able to think on their own. They will be able to understand our language. Okay, now student, you have to write down the fifth generation computer characteristics in your notebook. Okay, now next, ULSI microprocessor. In the fifth generation, the VLSI technology become ULSI, means ultra large scale integration, resulting in the production of microprocessor chip having. Okay, now next, robot. A robot describes a computerized machine designed to respond to input received manually or from its surroundings. Today, robots perform repetitive and often difficult tasks such as building cars or computer equipment. Okay, now student, our next topic will be continue in our next part 3. Okay, thank you.